to Fun Kid Hacks.
Today we will be learning how to do a braid in 4 easy steps.
Okay, seriously? Wow.
Before you begin, make sure your hair is always nice and brushed out. Step 1 is to split your hair into 3 even sections. Step 2 is to take the right section and move it into the middle and grab it with your left hand. And the one that was in the middle, hold it in your right hand. Step 3 is to take the left one, move it into the middle and grab it with your right hand. And the one that was in the middle, grab it with your left hand. You're going to repeat it on both sides. Step 4 is to grab an elastic and tie it up. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Fun Kid Hacks.